This lesson will focus on the area of a circle from the broad general education. Within a circle, there are various parts or lines which we need to know. Every circle must have a centre point. A straight line from centre to edge of a circle is called a radius. A straight line from one edge through the centre to the opposite edge is called a diameter. A diameter is 2 times the radius. Therefore, we can say D is equal to 2r. To calculate the area of a circle, the radius and area are linked together through a number 3.14 which continues on, otherwise known as pi. To find the area of the circle, we use the formula A equals pi r squared, which is area equaling pi multiplied by the radius squared. Example 1. Find the area of the circle.
In example 1, we're asked to find the area of this circle here, which has a radius of 12 centimetres. When we're doing this, we're looking for a minimum of 3 lines of working. So we always begin with our formula. Capital A is equal to pi r squared. So from here, let's substitute in. So pi, this is a number stored in our calculator, and we will multiply it by the square of the radius. So our radius is 12, so it will be 12 squared. We take our calculator here. To get pi, we're going to have to press shift and then this button here, and the pi symbol should come up in your calculator, multiplied by 12 squared equals. Now on the calculator, this comes out as 144 pi. That's because it's giving it an exact value, but let's just change it into a decimal. So we press this button here, and this changes it into 452.389, and it keeps on going. So what we'll do is we'll just round it to 2 decimal places. So 452.39, and it's an area, so we need square units. Our units are centimetres, so it will be square centimetres.
Example 2. Find the area of the circle with radius 7.1 centimetres.
In example 2, we've not been given a diagram, but let's just treat it as normal. We're asked to find the area of a circle with a radius of 7.1 centimetres. So begin formula. We're asked for the area, so that's pi r squared. We've been given a radius, let's just substitute it in. So that will be pi multiplied by 7.1 squared. Take your calculator and just substitute everything in. Pi multiplied by 7.1 squared. We'll convert it to a decimal. It gives me 158.367 and keeps going. So we'll just put our dots there. Round to 2 decimal places unless told otherwise. That will give me 158.37. And remember your units, it will be square centimetres.
Example 3. Find the area of the circle.
In example 3, we're asked to find the area of a circle with a diameter of 36 metres. To begin with, we're asked for area, so let's start with our formula. Capital A is equal to pi r squared. Now you'll notice that your area formula uses radius, yet we've been given a diameter. That's fine. So underneath this, let's just write D equals 36 metres. A diameter is double the radius, so we need to work out our radius. So for that, let's half this, and that will give me 18 metres. Let's now substitute in pi multiplied by 18 squared. Let's then type this into our calculator. So we've got our pi button, multiply by 18 squared. Gives me 324 pi, but I want to put it into a decimal, so let's convert that. And it will give me 1017.876. Keeps going, so just put these little dots here. Unless told otherwise, let's just work to two decimal places. So that will be 1017.88 square metres.